Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm going to make video about just in case if you forgot your password on Windows 11 laptop. And before I continue, please go ahead and subscribe my channel. I know that you guys really like my last video on when I made it about on Windows 10 forgot password, and I forgot to mention few things. Please go ahead and subscribe my channel and press the like the video here, press the like icon if you like the video. And today I'm going to make video on Windows 11, and I'm going to tell you that how you can reset your password. And we'll see if there will be an option like remove everything or don't remove anything. So I'm not sure yet. I'm going to make video first time, and we will see as accordingly. And this is almost kind of like same procedure, same as Windows 10. And I'm definitely gonna walk you through everything. So let's start. As I'm on the uh, password screen, and I say I enter my password, and it's not working at all. And what I need to do, I need to hold down the shift button and press the power icon and reboot it, like restart my computer, and keep holding. As you can see, I'm holding my shift button, and I'm sorry if you type multiple. Okay, so hold down the shift button, click the restart anyway, and as you can see, it's not saying restarting, it says please wait. And at this point I would like to mention you two or three things, which are like, you are going to remove this password on your local account password. I'm not telling you about if you're signed in with Outlook account. This thing is not gonna work. If you are signed in with your on your domain account, this thing is not gonna work. So as you can see that we are in troubleshoot screen, same as like Windows 10. So in case of like resetting your password, it's kind of like remove everything, and there will be nothing left. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on troubleshoot now, then I'm gonna do reset this PC. And now what I'm gonna do is remove everything, which will remove all your personal files, apps and settings. So I'm not saying that you're gonna save your data. Just in case if you keep my files, it will keep your files, reinstall the new window and everything. This will only remove apps and setting, which is supposed to delete your login password too, but it does not do that. Sometime it does if you're in like lucky, but sometime if it does not. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on remove everything. I'm gonna do local reinstall. So now it was gonna start resetting this PC. So I want to fully clean this drive. Use this if you recycle the PC. This can take several hours. Okay, it's just saying that it's gonna take several hours. It's not gonna take that long. So it's now getting the PC ready to reset. It might, I also will ask you one more time. So you see this, reinstall the Windows from this device, remove all apps, program, and that didn't come with this PC. Remove any changes made to settings. Remove all personal files and accounts on this device. Accounts means it's going to reset that account too, on which your local account password is. So again, I'm going to tell you that this procedure will only work on local user accounts. Also, if you don't have a password on your C drive, like a BitLocker C drive, make sure you don't have a password over there, and then this procedure will work. It's not gonna work on any domain associated machine or any Outlook account, like your user login is signed in with the Outlook account. I will make sure that I will make a video about how you can reset your password while you forgot your password on your Outlook account, or when you are using that Outlook account on the login screen. And I'm also going to tell you that if you have any domain associated account, how you can remove that. And I am definitely going to make video about it because I love that you guys are liking my previous video, which is on Windows 10. If you have Windows 10, go ahead and watch that video. I'm going to drop the link into the description. And I really appreciate your love towards that video, and you are and thank you for your support on that video. I hope that I'm gonna get same result on this one too, and definitely I'm gonna make other videos what I'm telling you about Outlook account and domain associated username reset passwords. So right now it's resetting the PC, and once the resetting PC will be done, it was going to start installing the Windows 11. Once the Windows 11 will be installed, it's going to take us to the initial setup. So once it will be on initial setup, at that time we will be done with the removing password. Resetting is at 95% now. So once resetting will be completed, and it will start moving towards the installation. Once installation will be done, I just thought that it will go over to the initial setup screen. At that point we will be done. And once again, I'm going to mention it, that this procedure is only going to work on local PC account. And if you see that it's asking for BitLocker key, that means you had a password on your C drive. So in that case, this thing is not gonna work unless you have the BitLocker key on you or in the USB. You can use that to bypass that step. And on the Outlook account, user account, login account, I will make a video, and I can give you a little bit outline of that. Let's say you signed in your account with the Outlook and you forgot the password. So you don't need to do anything with the computer. What you need to do, use a computer which does not have any password. Go to outlook.com, use forgot password option, enter your like whatever you gave them as a backup of your cell phone number for the code. They will send you the code. Once you enter the code, you will be able to reset the password. Once you reset the password, connect your computer with the internet which has the password, then try and log in with the new password. That's the procedure if you're signed in your computer with the Outlook account or Microsoft account. It can be Outlook account, it can be Hotmail account, it can be Live account. All these three things are from Microsoft. So you can try that. And if you have domain procedure is a bit tricky. For that, you sometimes needs a bootable USB in case you want to save your data. In this case, what I did, I remove everything, because when you were going to try for keep my files, it's gonna again take you to the login screen. So for that, you can't do that. You have to remove everything in this case. And once you remove everything and it's on the initial setup, that means you're done. You don't need to do anything else after that. You can just set up your Windows 11, and I also have the video on how to set up your Windows 11. And on that note, you will be all set and good to go. It's not going to ask you for the password when you remove everything and fully clean your drive. So let's just wait. Like it's 24% already completed. It will take 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, and then it will be done, hopefully. Yeah, I like actually cubing when I have some time. So it's 5 by 5. I have a couple of more by 4 by 4, 3 by 3. I just like to do it. There you go. Looks like installation is completed, or maybe it will come back to complete the percentage. I'm just doing it first time, so there you go. So now, as you can see, it's on the like initial setup. It's asking you to set up. That means there is no more passwords, and everything is wiped out. And whenever you buy a computer, it's in that condition. So that's all you need to do to reset your password. And again, you will lose everything in that case. If you try to click on keep my files while in troubleshoot screen, you might will come back on the login screen. So that's it for the day. I hope you like the video as you liked my old video on Windows 10. And if you need everything on Windows 10, I'm going to drop the link in the description. So then you will be all set. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like the video, press the like icon and press the bell icon to get the notification about my upcoming videos. That's it for the day. Have a good one. Bye bye.